Hello my supers, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Miss. This is Rose, me also known as vivikarrina, and today I have an unboxing to do from you will see. So I will be opening this beautiful package that I have in here. Me. Okay, you can see it's very well packaged. Let me do the surgery. Ta-da-da-da. Oh, smells great. Can smell it. Can smell it. More surgery. Yeah! Smells so good. It smells so good. So this package is from our soapy sister at, I will tell you. Oh, it's so pretty. Davida handcrafted soaps. Okay. Davida's handcrafted soap. Yes. So, it smells so good. I hope I can open this the other side, maybe. Yes, maybe I do. I'm not sure, but just in case. Yes, I do. I know. I opened from the side that it wasn't supposed to be open, but this package is from Davida's handcrafted soaps and from A.D. Ramsey. There is her information. Hope you can see that right. This camera. Okay. Somewhere there. So this is from her. We're showing nice papers. Oh, I got eggs. This is nice. She's having a sale in her website. I will link her website down below in the information box, so you can go and check her out. Okay, just like that. Go and check her out and give her some love and some support. She had very good prices on her stuff, and she also had a clearance. And I took advantage of the clearance because I always do. Okay, this camera. Gravity is fighting with me. Okay, I took advantage of every sale that I can and I want, because I want. So, oh my god, this is nice. I got some eggs. Oh, it's a sachet. Oh my goodness, it smells so great. I'm loving this. Look how pretty. This is so pretty. It smells so awesome. I'm loving it. We'll be putting all the goodies in there. Oh yes. Oh my goodness, this is the coffee. This is the espresso coffee. Look at that label, how pretty. Very well done, very professional. Nice done, the espresso coffee. I'm loving this. This is a great size bar. You can see it has an embed. I love it. It's not a strong smell, but it does smell like coffee. Loving it. And Davida, 80, I see some glitter there. She's not a fan of glitter, but I see some glitter there. Oh my god, this smells so awesome. This is sea breeze. Sea breeze, look at that label. I love that she put all her information in the one part of the label. Not two labels, no, only one label. All the information is there, and then you have the back of the soap and you can see the design of the soap. That is clever. That is good. Smells so clean. I'm loving this one. Wow. And also I can see glitter. It has glitter, maybe from the eggs. Yeah, maybe. Also, this is exotic fusion. Exotic fusion. Not seeing invoice here, but I think I got some goodies. Yes, she sent me some goodies. Oh, thank you so much. She sent me gifts. Yes, she did. Okay, this one was also one of her clearance ones. Oh my god. Smells so fruity. Zest Fist. Very citrusy. I love the design. Look how pretty. Also again, really nice size bar, as you can see. Wow, I'm loving this. Oh my god. Let me see. Cherry Crotch. Okay, the other ones that I'm putting back here are gifts. She sent me gifts, but the ones that I am showing you first are the ones that I ordered. Oh my god, this is pure cherry. This Cherry Crotch. Look at that design. How pretty. Oh, so cherry. Oh my god. Oh. I'm loving this one so much. Very nice. I love the smell of cherry. Very fruity. Love it. These ones are gifts from her. Thank you so much, Davida 80. Thank you so very much. I'm very blessed. Thank you. Oh my god, guys, this smells so great. This is very rosy tea. Goodness, this smells very nice. Oh goodness, her soaps smell very, very, very nice. I'm loving them. This one, I first picked up this one. This is a exotic fusion. Look how pretty. This is very pretty. This is a good size bar. 3 ounces. It's very pretty and cute. Oh goodness, this smells so great. Exotic fruit smoothie. It does smell like fruit. I'm loving this. I'm so glad I put up an order with her because they smell so very nice. Love spell under the love spell. It does smell like love spell. Has some glitter. This is a very nice bar. Look how pretty. She do very nice swirls. Yes, it does smell like love spell. Also 3 ounces bar. These two are like her minis, but they are good. They are also a good size bar, as you can see. They're very beautiful. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, Heidi. Guys, go and check her website out before she runs out of these soaps. These soaps are amazing. They are amazing, beautiful, smell great. They are good size bars, and they have all the information in their label. I will be linking her website down below. Please go check her out. Support her. Also, I will be linking her channel because I love her videos. She made me laugh sometimes. She also made me smile every time I watch her. She's awesome. She's awesome. So I will be linking all those information down below. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Blessings. Love you all. Bye bye.